What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, and today we are going to go over a stock that is extremely undervalued. It has been sold off, and it is part of the dogs of the Dow. And we know these dividend companies will go back, especially the ones that are trading below the 200-day moving average. These are the stocks you want to buy on sale while they're still extremely cheap and undervalued, and you want to sell those stocks who are overvalued, overbought, and you want to move that money into something oversold. And that company today we're going to go over is none other than 3M, ticker symbol MMM. All right, this company is a high-powered dividend stock. It is going to be a nice growing dividend stock, and right now we are going to go over the charts. We are going to go over the technical analysis. Where's a good time to buy? Where would be a good area to start selling when you are making maximum return on your profit? And this stock is definitely one of those stocks you can go long-term on and just collect dividends the rest of your life. So with that said, guys, I don't want to waste too much time. Make sure you always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Come check out my Patreon page. Come join with us. Come trade with us. Come learn how to trade successfully and move the market in your favor. Come check out my Patreon page. And with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. Guys, let's check out what is going on with 3M, ticker symbol MMM. As you can see, this stock has been going down since freaking January. The market has just been tumbling down, and it looks like it has finally found its bottom around $140, as we can see. And it is starting to recover slightly. And the past few weeks, all I have been doing is adding 3M to my portfolio. I am pretty long on this stock, and my sell target on this stock is nothing less than $170 to $180. I believe firmly 3M can definitely go back to the $180 range over the next few months, if not years coming up. This stock is part of the dogs of the Dow. These are not the companies you want to disregard, especially when they are on sale, especially when a company is pretty much on a 37%, 36, let's say 35% sale, right? This is stock. If anything, let's just go with 30% discount, all right? This stock is literally on a 30% discount, and it's going to be paying you insane dividends, right? Let's look up 3M dividend, and you can see this stock pays absolutely crazy dividends over the long run, regardless of what the heck is going on with the market. And I like to look at that specifically on NASDAQ. This one tells you the exact prices it's been doing. And as we can see over the last 10 years or so, okay, all it's been doing is increasing its dividend year over year. And it is part of the dogs of the Dow. It is an aristocratic dividend stock. And they just raised their dividend just this freaking year on February 17. They just paid out their dividend declaration, right? So this stock is nothing but short of keep going up. It has a 4% dividend yield, which is extremely ideal on a company. You want that 4% dividend yield. And as we can see, this stock is valued by tip ranks to be worth about $167. Now, I'm valuing this about $175. To be honest and realistically, I think 175 is extremely doable. Mr. Bernstein here, this is from AB Alliance. Bernstein also agrees, and this company has been making bank. Right, I called it out to buy it a couple of weeks ago. AB. And this is a great company as well, and they pay insane dividend, right? Just check out AB. AB pays insane dividend, and it's valued at $56. Right now, it's trading literally at $46.58. It is extremely undervalued. That's a 20% upside for you, right? Right now, we're talking about 3M, though, because 3M is even more undervalued, and I think there's over a 30% return you can make on 3M. And the past few weeks, all stocks have been doing really well because the market decided, why the heck not? All right. 7.9% inflation is not a big deal. The Fed only increasing interest rate by 0.25%. Pathetic. But the market says, oh, that's not even a big deal either. That's not going to do anything to the interest rates for the inflation rate that's going on. All right. And I wouldn't be surprised if inflation goes over 8% for March, right? Because we are paying insane amounts of money just on oil and food products, and it's gonna go up, all right? It's not gonna stop. Now let's go check out the charts on 3M and where would be good areas to start adding. Obviously, right here around 142 is extremely ideal, and I would not sell this less than 175. All right, I'm going long on this. I'm gonna keep collecting my dividend, making that $1.49 a share. And it's going to increase year over year on me, giving me more than 4% return a year easily. And I'm going to collect my dividends and watch the stock grow, right? And I think right now it is a perfect opportunity. Look, it's still below 50 RSI, still undervalued, extremely undervalued, right? It's not even trading at 150, right? Last time the top was like around 150 right here, and it went back down, and it held previous lows, previous low, previous top, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see it hit about 150 and go back down, which is okay. I'm extremely happy if it does that because I'm not even yet done with adding my position, all right? I've just recently started open my position like about a week or two ago, and I'm nowhere near done adding to my position because I have so much more room to add and get to this place, right? And it is not even breaking out completely yet. We do have a crossover between the 5 and the 20, which is ideally that's what you want to call a breakout, but I don't think we really broke out yet. But we did get a crossover. TSI, MACD, histogram, everything is extremely right now bullish. So if you are just a trader, you're just going to trade this short term, you could probably see 160. 160 would be appropriate. I would not be surprised if we see this stock going there. It is definitely possible for that to happen, and that would just give you about 10% return, almost 8 to 10% return on your money just from here. Excuse me. So, guys, this stock is extremely undervalued. Don't overlook it. Don't overthink it. Add. It is part of the dogs of the Dow. If you don't know what the dogs of the Dow is, we are going to go over that very briefly and quickly. And I'm telling you, these are the companies you just want to keep your eye on. The dogs of the Dow. They are called Dow stocks. And pretty much you could find a whole list of the whole Dow stocks right in here. 3M already number 8 on the list, right? So it is not a joke of a stock. It is going to be a great long-term stock. And even Motley Fool just on January said this stock is really good. And I tell you what, guys, don't miss out your chance on this stock. Add it with me as while it's still oversold and undervalued. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to destroy that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells and different information regarding the market that you may find extremely valuable to you and to your time. So check out my Instagram page, link in the description box below. Also, guys, do not miss out your chance on learning how to trade successfully with my Patreon page. Come join us. Come trade with us. Leave a comment below right now. Let me know what other stocks you'd like me to do a video on, or if you have a question regarding a specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you guys out. Also, do not miss out on your chance on getting 3 free stocks right now from WeBull. All you gotta do is sign up using the link in the description box below, and WeBull will give you an automatic free stock just for signing up to use their app, and they'll give you 2 additional more stocks when you just make a deposit of just $5 or more, up to you. And WeBull will give you 2 additional stocks valued from $8 all the way up to $3 $1,000 on each of those. What are you waiting for? Get your 3 free stocks from WeBull right now. If you want another free stock, of course, FirstTrade gives out pretty decent stocks as well. And of course, we also have Robinhood that also gives free stocks. And all those links can be found in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.